Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 6 of human resource management. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the primary goal of performance appraisal? A. Track project deadline. B. Evaluate employees' performance. C. Increase product sales. D. Assign team leaders. The answer for this question is B. Evaluate employees' performance. Question number 2. A performance appraisal is usually dash. A. Informal and random. B. Unplanned and irregular. C. Systematic and periodic. D. Verbal and brief. The answer for this question is C. Systematic and periodic. Question number 3. Which term is not a synonymous for performance appraisal? A. Employee rating. B. Job delegation. C. Performance review. D. Employee evaluation. The answer for this question is B. Job delegation. Question number 4. Performance appraisal helps determine dash. A. Tax levels. B. Salary structure. C. Product design. D. Equipment repair. The answer for this question is B. Salary structure. Question number 5. Which one is an administrative use of performance appraisal? A. Course selection. B. Feedback session. C. Promotion decision. D. Skill mentoring. The answer for this question is C. Promotion decision. Question number 6. An employee is told to be improved report accuracy. This is dash. A. Transfer order. D. Developmental feedback. C. Salary negotiation. D. Layoff notice. The answer for this question is B. Developmental feedback. Question number 7. To understand job expectations, a manager must conduct dash. A. Job analysis. B. Market survey. C. Background check. D. Bonus review. The answer for this question is A. Job analysis. Question number 8. Which method best tracks good and bad employee actions? A. Essay. B. Critical incident. C. Checklists. D. Forced ranking. The answer for this question is B. Critical incident. Question number 9. To avoid sampling error, a manager must dash. A. Use only interviews. B. Review full performance history. C. Avoid giving feedback. D. Check peer review only. The answer for this question is B. Review full performance history. Question number 10. Using a checklist in performance appraisal may dash. A. Simplify legal claims. B. Hide rating results from raters. C. Increase rating bias. D. Avoid staff discussions. The answer for this question is B. Hide rating results from raters. Question number 11. Which is an error of scoring everyone the same? A. Recency. B. Contrast. C. Central tendency. D. Owner's effect. The answer for this question is C. Central tendency. 12. Question 12. An employee is rated poorly due to one recent mistake. This shows dash A. halo effect. B. Recency bias. C. leniency error. D. primacy error. The answer for this question is B. Recency bias. Question number 13. Which appraisal method compares one employee to another? A. Essay. B. Ranking. C. Graphic scale. D. Checklist. Answer for this question is B. Ranking. Question number 14. Managers avoid rating errors by dash. A. Rising salaries. B. Attending training. C. Removing goals. D. Lowering workload. Answer for this question is B. Attending training. Question number 15. What is the first step in the appraisal process? A. Discuss feedback. B. Observe behavior. C. Set appraisal goals. D. Compare to peers. The answer for this question is C. Set appraisal goals. Question number 16. A team is asked to help in employee evaluation. What is most likely the purpose? A. Termination. B. Bonus calculation. C. Development. D. Recruitment. The answer for this question is C. Development. Question number 17. When raters are influenced by similarities to themselves, dash. A. Sampling error. B. Halo effect. C. Similar to me bias. D. Strictness error. The answer for this question is C. Similarities to me bias. Question number 18. Which method involves joint goal setting between supervisor and employees? A. Forced distribution. B. MBO. Management by objective. C. Graphic skills. D. Checklists. The answer for this question is B. MBO or management by objective. Question number 19. A manager gives top rating to all employees. This reflects dash. A. Strictness. B. Owner's effect. C. Leniency. D. Contrast bias. The answer for this question is C. Leniency. Question number 20. Which method best suits executive level potential evaluation? A. Essay. B. MBO or management by objective. C. Critical incident. D. Psychological appraisal. The answer for this question is D. Psychological appraisal. Okay viewers, this is all about chapter 6 of human research. Thank you for attending this program.